how long this stock market can grow. It's already market is at its 44,000 points, and it's oscillating between 43,000 and 44,000. And how long the stock market can grow. And people are feeling that I missed investing when it was at 25, 30,000, and now it is at 44,000. Will it keep growing, and what can I do? So if you are in that confused state of mind, this video is for you. Hi, hello, this is Ganesan, your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks, and I'm going to share this interesting stuff. Why the stock market is keep on growing, and you need to understand where and all money is flowing, right? So let me show you data like from where and all money is coming. Money is coming from FIS. These are the people who invest in India, believing that India is an emerging economy. We have lots and lots of people, human population, and they are growing, and they put their money. And SIPs. So monthly SIP flow in the last 2 years has increased like anything. From few thousand crores, it touched a peak of 8,000 crores, but still it's around 6,000, 7,000 crores in between. And insurance, the people who put their money through ULIP policies or the insurance companies, LIC mainly invest in stock market wisely. They collect only traditional policies, but they put money in all the equities. And EPF, employee provident fund, they increase the stake in equity from 0%. Slowly they increase to 5%, 10%. I think now it's around 15%. Every month they invest a huge chunk of money into stock market. So these are huge thing. Apart from these people, there are domestic investors. I SIPs, insurance, EPF are domestic investors. Along with that, the people like retailers, the you and me and other set of people who invest in stock market in a very small way. So these are the people who invest in stock market, and when the inflows are huge, which means the stock will increase. Say for example, I bought Reliance at 2000, and I say that I bought Reliance and the market is good and you need to invest, and you go and buy the same thing, and SIPs are coming through and investing in the same thing. And if entire stock market across 6,000 stocks, if people are coming and investing in one after the other, the market euphoria is good. All positives are there, and market is kept on increasing. And now it breached 44,000, and it's oscillating in between in that range. So if it is the case, what will happen? So this is what you are going to see. So the most important stuff, you understood how this money is coming in, and the real economy size with stock market is size, because a stock market cannot go beyond the real economy size. At any point of time, it will be a check. It won't be exactly equal, but it will go like this. It will go up and down, up and down. So currently the economy is around $2.4 trillion, and already the GDP has declined in the last 2 quarters, and this financial year we are expected to go down by at least -5 to -10% for the entire financial year. If that is the case, this financial year we will become like around $2 trillion economy or something like that. If that is the case, how far this market can go, and will it come in, will it be in both in sync? Because if the real economy is not growing, automatically the stock market cannot go beyond a point. It should come down. And the point is the real economy, in the sense that if the real stocks, all the stocks which are listed as a large cap, mid cap or small cap, they need to keep earning. If the earnings of these companies are coming down, if they're not doing well, automatically it will reflect in the stocks, because stocks are nothing but if the real business needs to do good, then automatically they will do good. If the real economy is not performing for a very long time, the stock market will not perform, cannot perform. It's not will not perform, cannot perform. That is the only thing. So the point is a current valuation trend. As I said, is a current valuation is that the PE factor is as simple as that. The price of the stock market, Nifty, sensex, and all the stocks are way high, but the earnings of the stock market, it's very flat for a very long time. If both, for example, if the both are going in upward direction, it's good. Whereas the price alone is increasing, or the earnings are flat, which means how long this price can go keep on growing. So that is a huge problem. So why it is a problem? If the earnings are not catching up, automatically the stocks will get needs to get corrected in the future. That has happened in the past, in 2008, in 2016, because of knee-jerk reaction there may be a drop, but if the earnings are good, it will catch up. The stock market will catch up. People will come back and invest. All the earlier mentioned big products, they will come back and invest. Suppose if the valuation is not attractive and the conditions are not good, automatically they will take the money and go out. and they look for some other asset class where they can put their money. That can be gold, that can be real estate, that can be whatever. In 2008, stock market crashed because the real economy, the companies didn't perform well. Not it happened in US. The trigger happened in US. It had a serious impact in India. In India, we had a dull period. We can say dull and lull period between 2009 to 11, 12, because the entire world, the global financial crisis, it hit, and because of that, the export, import, forex, and everything got affected. And these were the reasons for the downfall at that time. And why I'm saying all these things is that the earnings is a problem right now. The earnings are not catching up with the real economy. The business is not catching up. If that is the case, how long the stock market can grow? You should be doubly cautious, because it's a huge thing. Nifty has breached 13,000 when there is no positivities around. The business doing extremely well. To remind you, all the best performing companies in the last quarter, because of the cost cutting measures, they are showing profitability. Most of the companies, if the cost cutting measures are not done, automatically they will not be able to do. Companies are going to cost cutting means they are trying to be prudent, meaning they doesn't want to waste money during these times. They want to invest in a wise way. They want to cut back the all the unnecessary stuff, which is a point, like it should be like a point we should take care of, right? So if that is the case, just look at what is happening right now, and be cautious with your investments in stock market. It's better to sell it off, or take your informed decision, discussing with your advisor, or having analyzing with all other important stuff, or have it in a liquid fund and invest when the things are coming back to normal. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubts with respect to this, I just provided a caution because market is going like anything, like a speed bullet train. Right. Thank you so much. See you in yet another video on stock market, mutual fund, or whatever related to wealth creation things. Thank you so much.